Hey Fox, hello and welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very easy tutorial on how to reset display settings to default here on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to proceed at the bottom search bar and type for settings. Once you've typed that, please wait until a best match should appear before we can proceed. And once it's here, please click on open to continue. By the way, you can also press Windows and I key together in the keyboard, and in that way or manner, you would be able to bring up the settings. Here at the settings, please proceed at the left side of that where you can see a list of the options. Please locate for System. And under the System tab, you would be able to see Display, which what we are looking for. And here, the default setting is the brightness is you can choose either to the highest brightness or to the lowest brightness. In my case, I'll prefer on selecting the lowest brightness, which is 0. Okay. So the default setting for night light is off. Okay. And here at the scale and layout, please click this down arrow and set the recommended scale that is good for your computer. So you would be able to see size there and it will be highlighted into recommended. So that means that that specific percentage or scale is the best percentage that you need to use to your computer. In my case, I am selecting the 125%, which is the recommended one. And the next to it is the display resolution. So similarly to the scale, you need to select the display resolution that is being highlighted into recommended. So the 1920 by 1080 is the recommended one. That's why I'm selecting it. Okay. Again, for the scale, select the recommended size, and that is 125%. And for display resolution, select the recommended resolution, which is 1920 by 180 in my case. 1080. Once you're good, please proceed to the left pane. You can see their accessibility. Please click on it. And under the accessibility tab, please navigate to text size and their vision. So the default text size is this one is being located in 100%. So you can see the text size preview and your text will look like this. Okay. So navigate to the accessibility again. Please tap on it. And from here, please select your mouse pointer and touched. And under the mouse pointer and touched, the default style is this one, which is white. Okay, so please select it. And the size also is being set here and the number 1. Okay, so by that, you can now close the window and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.